how to delete files that cannot be deleted in Windows 11. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to delete files that cannot be deleted in Windows 11. So without further ado, let us begin. So let's say I want to delete this folder right here in Windows 11, and then let's say I cannot delete this folder. So to delete this folder permanently or to force delete this folder, what you want to do is just go to the search bar right here and then just type in cmd. And then after that, what you want to do is to just type in these following words. So I have a notepad right here. So what you want to do now is to just copy this. So cd /d. Then after that, click space again. And then what you want to do is to just copy the location of your file or folder. So just right click it, go to properties, and then from here what you want to do is to just copy the location right here. Control C, OK, and then just paste it back in CMD, and then after that just click on enter, and then there you go. Next thing you have to type right in is dir /x, and then just click on enter, and then there you go. So after that, what you want to do from here is to look for the file or folder that you want to delete. So I want to delete this file or folder right here which says delete me. So what I need to type in right now is rmdir /q /s, and then after that what you want to do is to just type in the text right here that says delete key 1. So I'll just type in delete and then the tilde key and then 1. And then when I hit on enter, you will now see that the folder or file will be deleted. So I'll just click on enter, and then there you go. So as you can see, the folder has now been deleted. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to delete files on Windows 11 that cannot be deleted.